I'm anxious to ask you, please, John, about these attorneys who are defending Alex Murdaugh. You practice in South Carolina. I understand that you know some of them or all of them personally. Share with us what you can about their reputations as lawyers and what you're expecting them to do during the trial, please.
Certainly, and I know both lawyers very well. As a matter of fact, when I was a young prosecutor, the very first job I had was working for Dick Harpootlian when he was a solicitor.
So I didn't know you were a prosecutor.
Yes,
wait,
very
and you worked with Dick
chewed out by
Harpootlian?
Dick. Yes, he chewed me out many times early in my career.
So was he the solicitor and you were an assistant solicitor to him?
That is correct. That is correct. Matter of fact, he hired me as a law clerk.
Really? That's awesome. I did not know. See, it's a little known fact about you, John Mobley. You were also a prosecutor. You know I'm going to include that in your intro from here on out.
I always fill the surprises.
Yeah. Yeah. So, okay, so tell me about what was it like working with him as one of his assistants, John?
Hey, whether you love him or hate him, I mean, Dick is he's a Cadillac of lawyers. I mean, he's a smart lawyer. He likes being in the courtroom. And one of the vivid memories I have as a young prosecutor when I worked under Dick is that, you know, oftentimes the top guy, the solicitor, the district attorney, they're too busy running the office to be involved in the courtroom. That was never a problem with Dick. There have been plenty of times that Dick would just walk into an office and pick a prosecutor and say, hey, we got court this week. Put together the case and put it on the trial roster and get it ready for me to try. Just to show he could walk in there and look over somebody's notes and try a case. I mean, he would do it. It wouldn't be a high-profile case. It wouldn't be necessarily a murder. It could be a DUI. It could be a burglary. He did it all the time just to prove he could do it. You know, great by example. And to this day, you look at him. I mean, Dick's 74 years old. He's a state senator. He has a great plaintiff's lawyer practice as well. He has a great criminal defense practice, and he's still in here on a case that's taken up a lot of time. Matter of fact, recently we had a situation here where the solicitor in a very high-profile corruption scandal got removed from office here in South Carolina, and quite frankly, Dick was instrumental in getting that guy out of office. So yeah, I mean, this guy, he's got all the weapons, he got all the tools. He's competent, he's smart, he knows the law, he's great in the courtroom. So, you know, you couldn't ask for a better lead counsel. And Jim Griffin, he's no slouch. The last time I talked to Jim, it was at a bar in a hotel in Atlanta at a seminar. We had a great conversation. Another brilliant attorney, much more low-key, but smart, just different styles, and I think their styles are going to complement each other.